on, hop on, man.
What is it? Okay. Very nice.
Flashback.
We're flying to Mallorca now. This stuff is awesome. Yo, look. Stop noodling. Vegan, right? All vegan. Well, here we go. The Mediterranean. Mallorca, here we come. Warm, man. Vielen Dank. Danke.
Schöne Zeit.
Danke sehr.
Next morning.
Admittedly, it's a nice place. It's cool to spend 2 days here, but it's not really my cup of tea. So I'm pretty glad about the fact that I learned some Spanish. Get my espresso doble con leche de avena. Danger to life? That sounds cool. A beautiful morning, beautiful sight. And I'm gonna get myself a scooter. Now we're talking.
Two hours later.
I'm just coming straight out of the pool. I'm still wet basically. And I'm driving to Soundcheck just like that right now. I love it, man. This is what I envision my life to be. So this is the stage. Anybody playing right now? Gotta be careful. I want to get shot. So, haben wir da? Kinderschlagzeug.
10, 12, 16 Jahre.
Oh wow. Schnelle Response. 20, ne?
Nee, 22.
Maple Custom. Ja.
Wenn du willst, können wir Anprobe machen.
Mach mal. Wow. What a location. Try the drum kit with my helmet on. Soundcheck. That's the way I like it. Driving to Soundcheck on a beautiful sunshiny day. Playing on a golf court surrounded by mountains. Parking my scooter right next to the stage. I'm off for a beautiful ride around the island. Bye.
Six and a half hours later.
Hallo ihr Lieben!
of flashback.
Hop on, man.
What is it? Geil, geil, geil.